stop. I kind of get closer, like underneath.
Okay.
Now kind of turn like over near me, like start to walk near, like by me. Like go this way. There you go. Good. And follow me too. Good. Now let's just sound like I'm in school. Come on, follow me. Can you hand me the camera? And then you're gonna slowly hand me the camera, so I can get.
Look, do you see the white bird over there?
Yeah. And kind of zoom in on. For watching this skit. It took like about 20 minutes to make, so if the least you can do is subscribe. You see that waterfall over there? Hasn't been working for a long time. Turns out it just needed some rain. Yeah. Thank you to my camera man or whatever. It's not really a man. It's my mom. Thank you. Apparently she has like cinematic mode or whatever. I have no idea what that is, but it looks cool. Now subscribe. Subscribe for gaming videos. If you guys don't want gaming videos, then what's the point? I mean, like, everyone's a gamer, so if you're not a gamer, if you're not subscribed, then you're not a gamer. I'll see you next time. Honestly, I don't know why you're still watching this. The credits have already been done. Why are you still watching? There's nothing. There's nothing else to watch. Why are you still watching? Okay, seriously, this is getting like too personal. Why are you watching? I mean, it's the woods. It's a scary place. Why are you still watching? What? Are you expecting like Iron Giant to be right there? Are you expecting like the Iron Man to be right there? There's nothing else. The skit has ended. Why are you still watching? Seriously. Why not end it? So slow. I'll see you guys later. Right after. No, you weren't supposed to see that. Right after I finish getting up this ledge. Almost.